Meaning of flat racing.
Flat racing.
Flat racing.
Flat racing.
Flat racing. Flat racing is a type of horse racing where the horses compete on a flat track without obstacles or jumps. The distances of races can vary from a few furlongs to several miles. The objective is to be the first past the finish line, and the winner is determined by the horse that crosses the finish line first. Jockeys ride the horses using a variety of tactics, such as pacing and whipping, to gain an advantage over their competitors. Flat racing is one of the most popular types of horse racing worldwide and has a rich history spanning centuries.